In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a dynamic pricing slider in Framemirror. To commence this instructive journey, you need to navigate to Framer University. This platform provides a plethora of components, and in this tutorial, we are particularly interested in the free pricing slider component. As the first move, replicate this component and integrate it into your personal Framer project. The process is quite effortless and joyful. You will notice that the newly introduced component manifests in 3 distinct modes: slider, label, and button. This variety is the key to the creation of a dynamic pricing slider. Let's dive deeper. Among the trio, choose the slider mode. How do you do that? Nothing complicated. Simply select the component and then the slider mode from the right-hand properties panel. According to your unique requirements, adjust the stops and styling. It gives the liberty to customize and make the pricing slider as visually appealing and user-friendly as possible. The next step flows quite naturally. After you've adjusted the slider mode, it's time to duplicate the component. This duplicate component is meant to be in the label mode. And here in the label mode, you get to specify the prices for each stop. Labeling is an important activity for easy navigation through the pricing slider. But that's not it. Duplicate once more for the third unique mode, the button mode. The button mode is equally helpful in bestowing a greater degree of control and personalization. Here you can set custom text and vary the links for each button. Now we come to the crucial task: connecting the components, bringing the slider, label, and button modes together into a single idyllic pricing slider. The important part here is to ensure that all connected component instances do don the same name in the Properties panel. It's important because this nomenclature commonality is what allows the components to talk to each other. As you move the pricing slider, the labels and links also update themselves dynamically. There you have it. Your own dynamic pricing slider is ready. Enjoy exploring its potential and making the most out of it.